Awusethembe ukuthi lo blade wakho uyayazi into ayenzayo.
Naba beza. Qamaze, so small.
Siyani insizwa xa.
Gents, I've used the name. No, that's not going to be necessary.
Where are my children?
You didn't send your other son to my building. Oh wait, you probably did. It's gonna be a shame if you lose both your sons in one day. Please produce Judas.
You'll be safe, as long as you're the reasonable man that I hope you are.
Take me to them.
Ngwenya is the one we want. And once we're in the clear, then they will be released. But I know you've got a sniper boy out here, probably somewhere. I would have done exactly this. Not really, boys.
You take Judas, you take me.
All right, thina singena ngasimuva. We-entrance kunabona ogada abayi-2 so bathisha sebabeke phansi zwani. Umlungu lo useofisini lakhe e-4th floor. Uphethe u-Iris namanqoba. Kubalulekile ukuthi bathole. Qaphela nozanela ngazi ukuba kephi. So bathola ngaphakathi. Ningabona madoda. Asifuna ukufaka impilo yakamanqoba engiphenye sezwana.
Lungile Jabulani wena, hamba udlangula umanqoba. No-Iris. Mina-ke nebandla lami sohamba-ke madoda sifunane noqaphela. Ayikho indlela. Ulungile wena Sikhindi usuyothatha leli bandla lethu lo sayilova. Uhambe nalo sesohlangana phambili. Siyezona madoda. Hambe njalo-ke. Aye. Ngwenya and Zungu have handcuffed themselves to one another, a little 5-year-old moment. Now, shall we? China. I prefer the Russian brands. Right, gents. Gents. Shall we? It seems your men did attack Richard's office. As expected. We now have both the Zunga boys. You shouldn't have double-crossed us. Play with us. Let's see what Richard's going to do with the two of you.